to you is, have you ever wondered what happens to an apple if you leave it in the open?
No.
So let's see, I'm going to put this in here and we're going to leave it out to see what happens. But we're going to do something very different with the other ones.
We're going to put them in here.
What have you got in there?
Water.
You've got water. So let's see what happens when you put the apple in the water. Put it in the water. Lovely. Now we have to leave it for a little bit. And then what have you got?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Can you bring your lemon juice? Oh, amazing. Now let's put your apple in the lemon juice. Now,
It's turning green
you think
already.
it's turning green already? Now we're going to leave these for a couple of hours to see what happens.
Hours?
I know,
Hours?
you've got a
That's
few
gonna be
hours.
a long time.
Isn't it? But do you know what?
You're going to go home soon.
I know. Do you know what? I've got some that I
A
did
melting apple.
earlier. Let's have a look. Now
A
then,
melting apple.
can you tell me what's happened to this one?
Brown.
It's
Brown.
turned brown. What's happened to this one?
Brown. Only a little bit brown.
Oh, well done. It's only a little bit brown. And what about this one?
It's only white. It's only white.
This one was the one in the lemon juice. The lemon juice stopped it from going brown.